Hello, beautiful entities. I hope all is well with any and all who witnesses this video. Now, there are many New Year traditions celebrated across the globe. A popular tradition amongst many African Americans is the consumption of black-eyed peas or cowpeas and collard greens, often seasoned with pork and a side of cornbread. The culinary tradition is rooted in history and symbolizes brighter days ahead. Black eyed peas, for instance, are customarily associated with coins and or pennies, reflecting hopes for financial luck in the year ahead. Collard greens symbolizes paper money and economic stability. Cornbread is said to symbolize gold and themes of abundance. Pork symbolizes progress and optimism because pigs root forward rather than backward. Some even cook a whole hog head on New Year's Day for good luck. According to some agriculture historians, black eyed peas were left behind when Union troops stripped fields in the South during the Civil War, thinking they were animal feed. They became a primary food source during the aftermath of the war and came to symbolize survival and hope for the future. Please leave comments about some of your cultural traditions to bring in this new year. Please have a happy and a safe one. May the Creator, love, and peace be with you all. Thank you.